Is your laptop feeling slow? You don't have to buy a new one. There's a quick and easy upgrade that will save you. No tech experience is needed. Make sure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Then, grab a small screwdriver and remove the screws on the back panel. Slide a prying tool or even an old guitar pick between the back panel and the body of the laptop, and work your way around the edge, gently popping the clips that hold the panel in place. Remove the old RAM, gently pull apart the clips on either side of the RAM stick and slide it out. Next, take your new RAM stick, line it up with the slot, and gently but firmly push it in. You'll hear a click when it's securely in place. Now, simply reattach the back panel and screw everything back in place. Power up your laptop and enjoy faster, smoother performance. This message is normal. Press continue. You will see the extra memory in the settings.